In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video effects in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you'll need to either create a new project or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, just create a new project. If you already have a project you've been working on, go ahead and open that instead. Either option works, as long as you're inside the editing workspace. Next, add a video to the timeline. This is important because it gives you something to apply the effect to, and it also helps you preview the result properly. Once your video is placed in the timeline, you're ready to move on to the effects section. At the top toolbar, click on Effects. This will open the effects library inside CapCut Desktop. When the panel appears, make sure that Video Effects is selected. CapCut can include different types of effect categories, so it's a good idea to quickly verify that you're in the correct section before you continue. Now take a moment to browse the available effects. You can scroll through the library and look for a style that fits the look you want for your video. As you browse, pay attention to any effect that shows a download icon. That icon means the effect is available, but it hasn't been downloaded to your computer yet. When you find an effect you want to use, click the download icon on that effect. After that, wait for the download to complete. This usually only takes a moment depending on your internet speed and the size of the effect. A helpful thing to watch for here is the icon itself. Once the download is finished, verify that the download icon disappears. That's your confirmation that the effect is now available for use inside the app. After the effect has been downloaded, click the plus button on the effect. This adds it directly to your timeline. Then wait for the effect to appear on the timeline. Once it shows up, you'll know it has been applied to your video clip. From there, review the preview window so you can see how the effect looks on your footage. To check it in motion, click the play button and preview the effect. This gives you a clear look at how it appears during playback rather than just on a still frame. Finally, confirm that the effect has been successfully downloaded and applied. If you can see it in the timeline and it plays correctly in the preview window, then everything worked as expected. That's how to download video effects in CapCut Desktop.